doctor, that you started. You came from darkness and you'll go back to darkness. So why do you fear darkness? Most of us, we are very active at night. Thank you for agreeing with me. Yes. At times, it is good to give an ear to the native doctors and let us learn the stupidity from these people. Yes, I agree which doctors are very foolish, backward, primitive, and stupid, and useless, and nonsense. But let us listen to these people. Thank you for agreeing. So, darkness will ever win. Darkness will win. Darkness will win. We will die and we will join our ancestors, their darkness. So today I worship darkness and people are not happy with that. We cannot all fit in light. Wewe ni mtoto wa mwanga, mwangaza. Mimi ni mtoto wa giza. Wewe unasikia vizuri ukitembea na mwangaza. Natembea katika nuru.